Hello there. After a few rebuilt cars, we decided to document our journey of dreams becoming reality, and we decided to take you guys to join us. Welcome to Rehab Rides. We are continuing work on our Porsche 997 Targa 4S. Step by step, bringing this flood-damaged beauty back to life. So far, we've managed to strip the entire interior, as well as the front and rear compartments. Every piece had to come out to properly assess the damage. Once that was done, we thoroughly cleaned and dried the interior and front sections, getting everything ready for the installation of the new control units. But now it's time for the most challenging part: checking and servicing the engine. The 6th generation Carrera S is powered by a 3,824 cubic centimeter flat 6 engine. This boxer engine design actually works in our favor because the exhaust manifolds sit on the lower side. To remove the ignition coils and spark plugs, we first need to take off the exhaust system, which makes access much easier. However, there's one major problem. Most of the 16-year-old bolts snapped as we tried to remove them, but honestly, that was expected. We planned to replace them anyway, so no big deal. Just extra work. And then we made a discovery that we had feared the most: water inside the exhaust manifold. We had been hoping that the curved design of the exhaust would have prevented water from making its way up to an open exhaust valve and into the cylinder chamber. But there was only one way to find out for sure. We drained the exhaust manifolds and got out our endoscope camera to inspect the inside. Now let's drain the engine and hope for the best. And there it is. The engine was full of water. This is not what we wanted to see. This changes everything. At this point, we needed to take a step back and think things through. After a good night's sleep, we decided to focus on solutions instead of problems. Now let's keep moving forward, removing the exhaust and getting those spark plugs out. But that's easier said than done. The exhaust mount is in the way, and the bolts are rusted solid from years of exposure. Trying to remove them one by one would be a nightmare. So we decide on a better solution, taking out the exhaust along with the mount. After some struggle, we finally get the left side down. With that done, the right side comes off much faster. Now it's time to remove the 6 ignition coils. The first few come out smoothly, but as expected, the last ones on each side are in tight, hard-to-reach spots, making things much trickier.
Bora ke warnet Duitsland.
Finally, the spark plugs. And unfortunately, things aren't looking great. There are clear signs of corrosion on them. Now for the moment of truth, let's check inside the cylinders. And there it is, an open exhaust valve. And worse, dirt inside the chamber. This just got a lot more complicated. Stay tuned for the next stage of the rebuild. Join us on our journey, follow, like, and subscribe. See you soon.